So hey, what's up? Hi. Hope everything is fine at your end. You all are having good time, and this video is totally dedicated for the overthinkers. So all the teenagers, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, and I hope you got some valuable lessons to learn and escape from the overthinking zone. So yes, I used to be one of them, but I don't even feel that because I have adopted some major ways that literally helped me out from this phase of my life. So only you know how it is hard to fight. Only you know how it really feels inside, because it is the phase where like lots of things just mashing up in the mind. You are just you just don't want to talk to anybody. You just don't want to do any work. You just don't want to do anything except thinking. That's the bigger problem. We don't want to do anything, just escape except thinking. And that's all creates the vicious circle of overthinking. So I know it is the hardest part. You have do not the power to explain even your the body, because the simple funda is you don't have clarity. What you really feel inside, you don't know, but you feel. That's the major problem. So I know, I hope you are relating with me. So what I really did to overcome from all this situation is so simple. You can also try it and see the results. So first of all, my favorite thing that I really used to do was to open the camera whenever I think too much, whenever the any problem pinches me a lot, when I got disturbed too much, I just opened the camera and spoke. I spoke unlimited, I spoke unconditionally what I really feel, what are the problem. I ask myself, I ask again and again, and I wrote down everything, each and every point. What is the problem, why I feel like this, what are the things that I really disturbs me a lot, and I tried to find the solution. Basically, I did it. I tried to find the solution. What could be, if it is the problem, then what are the major steps that I can take and solve this problem? It's so simple. The next one is to make sure that you go out. You try to come out from your home. You can have a long walk. You can go and spare some time to the nature. You can spare some time to the flowers and around the things, observing things around you literally feel you lighter and make you so happier. And next one, you can give yourself a treat for, you can eat golgappa, you can have some chocolates. If you want to do anything, you can eat, right? Next one is sports. If you are a sports person, then do play a sports, because there is the thing that when you play, when you indulge yourself in different activities, like your brain releases different dopamine, and that literally feel you better, and you get the problem so easily, right? So indulge yourself in like sports activities. And if you really do workout, do it. And the most one thing that I really suggest you, that wake up early in the morning and have some meditation. Meditation is like nothing, just close your eyes, sit in a very calm position, and just observe like the recently you took the breath, and observe and like hold it for some times and then release. Do this and repeat it for like 4 to 5 times, and you will literally feel better. Like this is all things that I adapted. I did it like again and again, and see, I don't even think about overthinking. Because, and one thing that I really tell you, that it will take time. It will take time, but you will be your own healer. And the most important thing, that the overthinking phase that only demands you the only your time and your attention. When you really feel yourself connected, when you really feel that you are yourself, I mean you are enjoying your company, believe me, this will literally be away from you, and you will have a better life. And one thing that I really want to tell you, that please help you yourself out, because no one is available for any time. Be your own healer, be your own mentor, be your friend first. So I hope that you got something very valuable to learn. So stay tuned, and this is what I really wanted to say. So thank you so much for watching this. Thank you so much for giving me love and support. So take care and bye bye.